guys, it's Reagan. Welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to be covering a topic that you may be wondering. Is the iPhone 8 Plus still a good phone in 2020? Is it still worth it to buy it now? I will tell you in this video. So, I recently bought an iPhone 8 Plus. Some of you are probably wondering if it's still worth it. Since I bought one recently, I'll tell you if I think it's worth it or not. I'm going to be covering the simple topics first, but if any of you techies want to skip to the the specs and everything, you can click this timestamp. So, the iPhone 8 Plus has two rear cameras, a normal one and one that zooms. You can manually zoom past that, but it gets really shaky. The front-facing camera is decent too. It works well enough for a selfie. I got this phone in space gray and I really like the color. It's just pretty much perfect. The new home button is definitely different, but I got used to it really fast, like in the first 1 to 2 days. It's not a physical home button, it just senses your pressure and gives a little vibrate. I actually prefer it over the old home button. It doesn't make as much noise and it's just simpler. The 8 Plus doesn't have a headphone jack, and that's still controversial to this day, which is kind of baffling to me. It's like, we need to get over that. That was like a really long time ago that they got rid of it. It's literally not that big of a deal. Just buy a double dongle and a regular dongle and you're good. Anyway, it still supports the latest versions of iOS because, yeah, every iPhone that comes out gets 5 years of support, but that's not from when you buy it, that's from when the phone was released. So, as of right now, it has like 3 years left, since it's 2 generations old. 2 generations old is kind of a lot in tech years, but the 8 Plus is sufficient for playing games such as Fortnite, Minecraft, Roblox. It's fast enough to keep you from getting mad. It opens apps really quickly, at least for me it does. Here's a quick comparison between it and an iPhone 5S, which is 6 years old now and stopped support this year. Okay, so here's the tech specs. If you're not interested in this, skip to this timestamp. The iPhone 8 Plus has a length of 6.24 inches, or 158.4 millimeters. It's 3.7 inches wide, and that's also 78.1 millimeters. And it weighs 7.13 ounces, or 202 grams. It has a 5.5-inch Retina HD. It is widescreen LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology, 920 by 1080 pixel resolution at 401 ppi, 1300 to 1 contrast ratio, which they say is typical. It has True Tone display, wide color display, 3D touch, 625 nits max brightness, dual domain pixels for wide viewing angles, fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating, support for display of multiple language and characters simultaneously, display zoom and reachability. It is splash, water, and dust resistant. It has a IP67 rating, maximum depth of 1 meter up to 30 minutes, which I'm not going to be putting my phone in water anyway, so yeah. A11 Bionic chip, and it says Neural Engine. The iPhone 8 Plus has dual 12 megapixel wide and telephoto cameras. It comes with optical image stabilization, 6-element lens, LED True Tone flash with slow sync, panorama, live photos with stabilization, and a bunch of other stuff that just blah. The iPhone 8 Plus can record 4K video at 24 frames per second, 30 or 60 frames per second. 1080p HD video recording at 30 or 60 FPS, 720p HD video recording at 30 FPS, optical image stabilization for each video, 2 times optical zoom in, digital zoom up to 6 times for the iPhone 8 Plus only. And there's slow-mo video support for 1080p at 120 or 240 FPS. And then the selfie camera has 7 megapixels camera, f-stop 2.2 aperture, 1080p HD video recording at 30 FPS, Retina flash, and tons of other stuff. The thing is, the people think that the iPhones, the 7 and 7 Plus and up, have 2 speakers, but they really don't. They only have 1. This one, I guess, is like, I think it's just a temperature monitor or something like that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and turn on those notification bells so you never miss out on any of my future videos. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!